Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. Today's guide video is based on how to add description on your Facebook page. Now before we begin, make sure that you've updated the Facebook application to the latest version and also make sure that you're well connected with the internet service. Now without any further delay, let us get started. Now first of all, you have to open your Facebook application. So as soon as you open your Facebook application, the interface looks something like this. Now on this following page, tap on the trio bar icon or the 3 dash icon which is on the upper right corner, right on top. So next on the other page, you will land inside menu. So on this following page, you have to scroll down and there you can see on the second last option, there is page. So you need to tap on it. So on the other page, you have to select the page that you want to add description on. So next you have land inside your page. So what you have to do is, so down there under add story, there you can see right in the corner there is 3 dot icon. You need to tap on it, and right on top there you can see an option called edit. So you need to tap on it. So now on the other page you get to edit. So down there you can see bio. Now in order to add description, you have to tap on bio. So now enter your description. So once you're done entering the description, all you have to do is just simply tap on save button, which is right on top on the upper right corner. And here you can see that the description has been added, and this is how you can add description on your Facebook page. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.